filming.
That's Confederate flag on there?
Yes. You're gonna be on YouTube, Kayla. Marshall's gonna be on YouTube too for 2 seconds. Hi, Marshall. There we go. All right. 2014. He still has the horn on that car, van. Wow.
Fucking right. It's a tactic. It's to scare us.
Yeah.
It's to scare us.
And a radio.
And the radio.
Wow, he's gonna
Here's our car. Good to go. They just need to finish inspecting it. Oh, what's that? Is that 14 again? Jake, that car's been run like 5 times. Let's kill it.
killing it this year.
Don't take it.
We got all these Chevys.
Oh yeah, A&W.
I like his roof sign. It's a mailbox.
Door. They wrote door on there.
Oh, what the wagon over here? That's like back end or something. Happy Thanksgiving. Oh yeah. Yeah, they left their windshield in. Is that maybe the guy you saw?
24. I saw him on the way in.
Yeah.
Hell on wheels. License plate.
Oh.
Right in the pedal.
No, I'm gonna get my cowboy boots muddy. Nah, that's what they're for. That's why I wear them.
There we go. Here's some more.
This one's not. This one doesn't have a 14-bolt rear end, Marshall. First one.
It's leaking radiator.
Yeah, there's, yeah.
That's a Ford that survived its for fire.
Yeah. Dodge.
That's a big Dodge.
That is a big Dodge. Oh, look at this thing. This car is
last time.
Yeah, he had that Imperial.
This isn't Imperial. Oh, fuck.
It's not. No, I don't know what this is.
I like how they have padding on the door.
Yeah. They use bigger hood bolts than us, holy. Those are like pretty big.
Those are like pretty big. That's gonna be wet for
Yeah.